A brief scuffle broke out between members of Youth Congress and police personnel at Khwairamband Keithel area as Youth Congress members were stopped from carrying out a public signature drive as part of Vote Chor Gaddi Chhod campaign initiated by Indian National Congress across India. President of Youth Congress Manipur Khwairamband Singh condemned the incident by chanting various slogans. He also raised slogans condemning dictatorship of BJP government in collusion with Election Commission of India. On the other hand, MPCC President Kasham Meghachandra also took to social media to condemn the action of police. In the post on social media, Meghachandra condemned the police personnel for obstructing the Youth Congress team. He maintained that the campaign was carried out in a democratic and non-violent manner, reaching out door to door and shop to shop to connect with the people and express their voice against corruption and injustice. Meghachandra further maintained that the use of police force to stop such peaceful democratic activities is unjustified and undemocratic. He added that silencing youth voices through intimidation only exposes the fear and failure of BJP government in Manipur. The MPCC president also urged authority to respect democratic rights, allow peaceful campaigns and stop misusing police power to suppress opposition.
State forcing na koida yamakan mong da singara kanda yang still etik dor kanda akoida ko khud thaba koi banner fire ko banner ya peaceful koida koi naksa ba sugumba signature campaign asira yamna tathi da oi ba wanga nga kanda to biose ko yamdi nungai jade sigumba police department ki yamna ikai ningai oi ba yamna ijat sokpa ngasi ki thongse kosi koi Youth Congress Manipur na condemn tawi democracy ki mamai to khubang da thabani ko yang si vote chor to kan da gadi short to godabni ko pham da do godabni miyam ki haki kai khumna godabni vote chor gadi chor vote chor gadi chor